Bring that load to bay 3. Copy that, moving now.
This revolutionary laser etching technology allows us to create high-detail microscopic grids with unmatched precision and speed.
Parameters holding steady at 1.2 kilovolts.
Confirming doping uniformity is at 99.7%.
Efficiency reading stabilized at 24.7%.
Log that on the tablet. We need to check the degradation after the next cycle.
Here at the facility, automated systems clean and align the tempered glass, while technicians perform final inspections before assembly.
Insulating back sheets are bonded under controlled heat. As the panels glide forward, rollers apply uniform pressure.
Schedule updated for outbound solar panels. Priority confirmed.
Copy that.
Warehouse automation sequence initiated.
State-of-the-art robotic forklifts seamlessly retrieve solar panel pallets, guiding them efficiently onto the outbound conveyor lanes.
All right, bring it forward slowly. Clear on the left side, watch the alignment.
Scan complete. Container cleared for transport.
All right, take the weight, lift it up slow. Clear on this side, bring it over. Depth check on C4. How close are we? Almost there. Give it another meter. All right, secure that rail. Move into position 3. Confirm, move into position 3 now. Watch it, easy now. Okay, set it down, lock it in.
Wiring complete on Unit B.
Initiating power sequence now. Lights are green.
Verify the inverter connections are secure.
Cables aligned.
Panel ready for closure. Switch Delta 5 engaged.
Bravo 7 synchronized. System stable.
Hindi dasin di Jamie submat fati pitin sharhahe. Jinme is tenti mahant abu beti tadi kuti vandir tu bi dangta.
Agreements. Here at the distribution facility, solar power is routed through these cabinets, while technicians utilize real-time data.
The voltage conversion rate looks stable according to these readings.
Confirmed. I'm logging the efficiency metrics now.
We're showing full synchronization with the urban network. Power flow looks optimal for the evening demand cycle.
From the substation, clean energy flows seamlessly into the neighborhood grid, powering homes quietly through advanced solar technology.
The transition to sustainable energy is here. Advanced factories like this one are now powered entirely by local solar grids.
Advanced robotics allow us to maximize energy yield. The cleaning process is precise, restoring panels to factory shine instantly. Advanced robotics allow us to maximize energy yield. The cleaning process is precise, restoring panels to factory shine instantly.
Look at this upward trend in efficiency after the last cycle optimization.
That aligns perfectly with the revised output forecasts for the next quarter.
As you can see on the 3D model, the array placement optimizes energy capture.
What about the land gradient in Sector 3? Does the current blueprint account for that?
The transition to the global view is complete. Real-time data flow is impressive.
It confirms the stability of the grid optimization protocol. We have multiple sector breaches, initiating automated response protocols.
Confirmed. Indicators are normalizing. All systems clear.
The data confirms optimal alignment across the eastern sector. Good.
The field team is deploying now to begin the diagnostic checks.
We're still seeing anomalies in the southwest array.
Reroute the drone path for a closer scan.
The output from the European arrays is stabilizing.
Good. Let's optimize the power flow to the eastern grid.
Lock sequence initiated. Confirming positions now.
Systems nominal. Alert level upgraded to severe.
The storm skirt is clear. Systems initiating restart sequence.
Look at that sunlight return. Full recovery confirmed.
Look at the saturation levels. We're seeing a significant drop in atmospheric carbon.
The green indicators confirm the reduction targets have been met.
This sector's output stabilized after the firmware update.
Confirmed. The compliance metrics are now fully aligned with regulatory standards.
The volume on these RECs just spiked dramatically.
We need to execute the buy order now before the price climbs further.
Look at the transmission rates stabilizing across the Southeast Asia grid.
Yes, the smart contracts are optimizing the flow exactly as projected in the models.
As you can see on the global overview, the network response time is critical.
Adjust the flow regulators based on the incoming weather patterns visualized here.
Control, emergency shutdown procedure successful. Robot Alpha is offline.
Acknowledged. Maintain position until the drill is complete.
Here we visualize the power flow. The blue line represents generation capacity, which, as you can see, has consistently exceeded projections this fiscal year.
The energy flow is stabilizing. We are now running 60% of the city infrastructure on renewables.
The life cycle projections are favorable.
Then we can optimize the maintenance schedule here.
Confirmed. The budget aligns.
Finishers.
These life cycle projections confirm the stability of the portfolio for the next 20 years.
Exactly, and the revised maintenance schedule.
The automated pile drivers are exceeding installation targets in Sector 3.
Excellent. That keeps us on schedule for Q4 completion.
The alignment metrics are stabilizing across Sector 4.
Confirmed. Initiate the final locking sequence on Array 7.
The alignment metrics are stabilizing across Sector 4.
Confirmed. Initiate the final locking sequence on Array 7.
The AI projections for the next quarter are stabilizing.
Look at the increase in the Southern Hemisphere grid.
This dashboard highlights the impact of solar energy. We've seen a 20% reduction in global emissions attributed directly to these initiatives shown here. This chart highlights the performance increase across the solar assets.
What assumptions are baked into this specific forecast model?
If we focus incentives on solar deployment in this region, we meet the Q3 targets.
Agreed. The legislation supports this interpretation of the land use data.
This centralized system now confirms that solar power has exceeded 40% of the national grid's capacity for the first time in history.
As you can see, the solar facilities worldwide are operating at 98% efficiency.
The integration across Sector Gamma is complete. The energy yield projections are exceeding expectations.
Are these degradation graphs accurately reflecting the output from the new rigs?
Yes, the visualization confirms the increased energy yield of the cell materials.
If we look at the South American grid integration, we can replicate that success here.
Agreed, the data supports aggressive expansion in that sector.
This global energy network represents a monumental shift towards sustainable resources. The flow is constant, powerful, and clean.